Okay, we continue our special lesson for Enduro drivers, and I want to show how to use special tools uh, for uh, for your routing. Special tools name measure distance. Так, one moment, please. Okay, go to general menu and you can see measure distance tool. Yeah, there are articles in our features in our site osmand.net. You can find it and read, of course, but I want to show how it work uh, with your requirement. Yeah, for example, you want to go to unpaved using unpaved roads by your Enduro. For example, you can start at the village and go to this point, this point. After that, you can click options, snap to road, and choose your Enduro profile, which prefer unpaved roads. You remember, and after that, you can click point. What do you want? And how can you see the road built by unpaved roads where these unpaved roads are at your trips, and how do you see? Yeah, use only this, for example. Okay, only unpaved roads. Yeah, after that you can save as new GPS file, save as line maybe. Yeah, ой. Yeah, okay, close this, and now you can choose your navigation profile and choose Enduro trip. Yeah, and now you can go, and of course you can choose one moment, your reverse, choose your direction. Yeah, no problem. After that, start.
Вы отклонились от маршрута на 93 километра.
Okay, thank you.